Hi everyone, this is me, Seema from Sadhbhaavana School. Children, today we are going to start the new lesson and the lesson name is Lesson 14, Lines and Angles. Lines and Angles. This is actually very easy and simple lesson. So let us first discuss about the lines. Okay? Yes. So this is a line, correct? So here you can see there is no end point or the beginning point. Can you see point, children? No. That means you can extend in this way, even in this direction also. Okay? You can extend this in both the direction also. There is no end point. Okay? There is no end point and there is no fixed length. There is no fixed length for the line. So this is called line. Understood, children? So you can extend in both the directions. Line you can extend in both the directions. So line is what? You can extend in both the directions. There is no ending point or the beginning point, or we can call it as the starting point or the ending point, and there is no fixed length. Okay, there is no fixed length. So this is the information regarding the line. I hope you have understood. Okay, yes. The next thing is line segment. So this is the line where we understood that there is no fixed length. Okay, no fixed length. And there is no ending point. No ending point. Okay, and there is no you can continue in both the direction. It will extends in both directions. Okay, extends in both directions. So this is all about the line. You can extend or you can continue in this direction, even in this direction also. Okay, you can continue this line in both the direction also. There is no fixed length and there is no ending points. Okay, this is all about the line. Now let us see what do you mean by the line segment. Children, now let us talk about the line segment. So you can see here, this is a line segment. So line segment is nothing but it is a part of the line itself, where you can see here two endpoints. One is here and one is here. After this point, you cannot extend this. After this point, you cannot extend this. The length of line segment is this much. This is the length of a line segment. Means it has the fixed length. It has the fixed length and you cannot extend in any directions. You cannot extend in any directions and you can see two endpoints. You can see two endpoints. You can call it as this is the starting point and this is the ending point, or this is the starting point or this is the ending point. But it has two endpoints. It has two endpoints. If I ask you to draw the line segment of 5 centimeter, okay, what you will do? You will take the scale and you will draw the line from 0 to 5 centimeter. After that, what you have to do? You have to mark its end point. Okay, then you have to write 5 centimeters. So the 5 centimeter is the length of this line segment. Okay, after the 5 centimeter, you cannot extend this because the length of this line segment is 5 centimeter. So now we understood, children, what do you mean by the line segment? I hope yes. Children, now let us talk about the ray. So what do you mean by the ray? See, ray is also a part of a line where you can see there is a one end point. There is a one end point. In another side, you can extend. Another side, you can extend. So this is called ray. This is called ray. In ray, what you have to observe the main one end point. In another side will be it is open. That means you can extend this side. You can extend this side. Means you can continue in this direction but not here. Here there is an end point. So this is called ray. This is called ray. So let us once again revise line segment. So line segment which has two endpoints and the fixed length, and after that you cannot extend that. And ray, which has one end point and in another direction you can extend. And the last one is line, where there is no end points and you can you can continue in both the direction. I mean you can extend in both the direction and there is no fixed length. Understood? Now let us discuss the types of lines. Children, now let us discuss the types of lines. Types of lines. So here you see the first one is horizontal line. Horizontal line. Okay, this is called horizontal line. Okay, this is called horizontal line. The second one, vertical line. Vertical line. So this is called vertical line. Okay, this is called vertical line. The how you draw, that is called vertical, and like this you will draw, that is called horizontal. And the next one is slanting line. Like this you will draw, right? This is called slanting line. Okay. So did you understand, children? So horizontal line. This is called horizontal line, and the vertical line, straight line like this. This is called vertical line, and the slanting line is nothing but the cross line. Now you understood, children, the types of line? I hope yes. Children, now let us discuss the exercise 14.1. Look at the first main. First main, identify the horizontal, vertical and slanting line. Here some lines are given. So we have to identify which type of line is that. So now we already discussed that the various types of lines. Yeah, horizontal, vertical and slanting. So let us see which types of lines are given here. Look at the first figure A. So which type of line is this, children? Can you tell me? Yeah, this is the horizontal line. So let us write horizontal line. This is horizontal line. Look at the figure B. Which type of line is this? Yeah, this is the slanting line. Look at the figure C. Which type of line is this? Yes, this is again a slanting line. And look at the last figure. Which type of line is this, children? Yeah, this is the vertical line. So, did you all understand, children, how to solve the first main? I hope. Children, now let us discuss the second main. So, say here, count the number of horizontal, vertical and slanting lines in the following figures. So, here some figures are given. So, in this figure, you have to count there are how many horizontal lines are there, how many vertical lines are there, and also how many slanting lines are there. Okay. So, let us see the first figure here. The picture of a house is given. So, in this we have to count the number of horizontal lines, number of vertical and number of slanting lines. So let us write the horizontal lines. How many horizontal lines are there? And the vertical and the slanting. Okay. Yes. So here you see horizontal line. Let us count the horizontal line. So this is the horizontal line. Correct? 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay. How many lines are there? Let us see once. This is one horizontal line. 1. This is the second horizontal line. 2. This is the third horizontal line. 3. And this is the fourth horizontal line. Other than this fourth, can you find any horizontal line here? No. So there are 4 horizontal lines. Okay. Now let us see the vertical lines like this. Okay. Yes. Is it a vertical line, children? No. Then which type of line it is? Slanting line. So vertical lines, one is here. This is the second one, 2. This is the third one, 3. And this is the fourth one. 4. So how many vertical lines are there in this figure? There are 4 vertical lines. So the number of vertical lines are 4. Now let us see how many slanting lines are there. Okay? Yes, how many slanting lines are there? 1 and 2. Okay? Yes. Understood, children, how to identify the horizontal, vertical and slanting line in the given figure? Let us move on to the one more example. Say in this figure, we have to find the same thing again. What in the horizontal line? Okay. Then vertical line and the slanting lines. Yes. So let us count the horizontal lines first. So this is the 1, here it is 2, and here it is 3. So there are 3 horizontal lines. Okay. Let us see the number of vertical lines. See there. So the vertical lines 1 and 2. There are 2 vertical lines. Now let us count the slanting lines. So 1, 2, 3 and 4. Can you find any more extra in this? No. So there are 4 slanting lines. Okay. So have you all understood, children, how to solve the second main? I hope you understood and you will do the remaining sum yourself. Children, now let us discuss the third main. So see here, count the number of points in the following figures. So here what we have to do? We have to count the number of points. So what do you mean by the points, children? Point is nothing but this is. Okay, point is represented by a dot. Point is represented by a dot. This dot is called as point. So we have to find in each figure how many points are there. Okay, so let us see the figure A. So here you see how many points you can see in this figure. How many points you can see, children? 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, yes, how many points you can see, children? 4. There are 4 points. See the next figure. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. How many points you can see here? 6. There are 6 points. Look at the figure C. Let us count the number of points. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. So how many points you can find here? 12 points. Children, did you all understand, children, how to solve the third main? I hope yes. So will you do the remaining sum yourself? I hope yes. Children, now let us discuss the fourth main. So the fourth main, count the number of line segments in the following figures. What we have to do? We have to count the number of line segments in the following figure. So let us do that. How to do? So see the figure here. So let us see how many line segments are there. See the first one, AB. Okay, so line segment AB. See children, this is the symbol we are using to denote the line segment, this symbol. Okay, this is the symbol we are using to denote the line segment. So line segment AB, then line segment AC. Okay, again line segment AD. Okay, here you see line segment BC, line segment CD, okay, and finally line segment BD. Together from here to here, line segment BD. So how many line segment you got now? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So there are 6 line segments are there in the figure. Understood? Move on to the next one. Again, see here. This is the one line segment PQ. Line segment PQ. Okay. Then line segment QR. Okay. Line segment ESR, or else children you can write RS or SR, both also same only. So line segment RS. Okay. Now line segment TS or ESP. Okay. Now line segment TT. One more line segment TR. And all together TR. Similarly, QT, comma, TS, line segment TS, and finally SQ, line segment SQ. So how many line segments we got? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So in this figure, there are 10 line segments. Understood, children, how to count the number of line segments in the given figure? I hope you have understood this and you will complete the remaining sum yourself. Okay. So till now we have discussed the exercise 14.1 up to 4th main. So rest of the mains we will continue in the next class. Thank you, children.